Let me ask you something. How many AI tools have you signed up for, used once, and then completely forgotten about? Yeah, that's exactly why I don't get excited every time a new AI tool shows up, because flashy demos are easy. Actually, saving creators time? That's a much harder job. So where does Sandcastles AI fit? After looking at what it offers, I don't think the biggest question is it good? The better question is it good for the kind of work you do every day? Because that's what decides whether you'll keep using it after the first week. The first thing that stood out to me is how much the platform tries to simplify the creative process. Instead of jumping between multiple tools, the idea is to help you move from an idea to finished content with fewer steps. If you're creating content every single week, that's already a big advantage. Now, does it get everything right? Not always. Like pretty much every AI platform right now, you'll probably find moments where the output is surprisingly good, and other moments where you'll think, I can probably improve that. That's normal. The real value isn't getting perfection on the first try. It's getting close enough that you save time compared to doing everything manually. Here's how I judge it. If you're a YouTube creator, freelancer, agency owner, or someone constantly producing content for clients, ask yourself this: does this tool remove work from your process? Or does it just add another monthly subscription? Because those are two very different outcomes. A tool can have 20 amazing features, but if you're only using one of them, you're paying for a lot you'll never touch. That's why I always tell people, don't buy AI tools because they're trending. Buy them because they solve a problem you already have. If possible, start with the free version or trial. Use one real project, not a demo, not a sample, something you'd actually publish or send to a client. That tells you way more than watching 10 review videos, including this one. So, is Sandcastles AI worth it for creators? If it fits your workflow and genuinely cuts down the time you spend creating content, it could absolutely be worth paying for. But if it doesn't save you meaningful time, even the smartest AI tool becomes just another subscription sitting on your credit card. Now, I've got a question for you. If you could only pay for one AI tool this month, would Sandcastles AI make the cut? Or would you spend that money somewhere else? Tell me in the comments. I'm genuinely curious what tools creators are actually sticking with right now.